this is just a trial video from my new channel. It's called Just in Time Travels. I'm obviously not travelling at the moment, but I'm going to do a couple of videos from the UK because, you know, I live here. It's a beautiful country and there's a lot that we don't see in the UK. Plenty of people doing vlogging from abroad and from beautiful locations and destinations. But I hope these videos that I'm going to do reach a wider audience, so for my fellow followers you've got something to watch as well from the UK. But my plan in the next few years is to do more global travelling, visit a bit more of Southeast Asia, Thailand, Vietnam. My goal is to go to the Philippines and explore some of the exotic islands there. But for now I'm here in East Yorkshire, Millington Woods. So this is just it's a nice October, end of October, autumnal with all the beautiful colours day. So I'm just going there's some nice views apparently from Millington up on the Wolds, the Yorkshire Wolds, which is nearby, which I'm going to do a video from there at some stage. Hope to do some drone shots as well with my drone. Anyway, speak to you soon. Looks like somebody's been building some sort of tree house, like a wigwam. Anyway, journey up the steps. Ooh. Steps aren't easy, bit of a killer, but worth the journey. Oh, he's gone running. That is nice. A nice view from the bench. Not bad. So this is the Yorkshire Wolds. I'm at the top of Millington Woods on the summit, so it's a nice view. Let's see where it goes. There's something about autumn leaves. These are beautiful colours. They just look amazing. It's nice to see all the beautiful autumn colours, all the greens, the reds, the oranges, all coming through. Autumn time in England can be pretty spectacular, especially on a nice crisp sunny day like today.